Man, what a time to be alive.
What really kicked us off to crypto is that we need to figure out a way for the community to own their data.
It's a different mentality. It's global mentality.
We present ourselves an interesting opportunity to rewrite the culture from a blank slate.
The kind of risks you take in finance is really, really, really high probability of success and low return. On the West Coast, it's sort of the opposite.
The idea of a decentralized computer that any developer could program on top of really fascinated me.
There's some things that we've deployed that are now protecting billions of dollars, which is exciting and frightening at the same time.
Basically, I realized that we had a really big problem with our design.
If you're a new engineer and you see this new thing growing and you commit to learning about it, that's like a golden ticket.
I came to California for this program without really knowing many people.
Going out and telling the world about this dream that you have and then getting pretty consistently shot down, you have to be pretty tough for that.
It took a little convincing for me to tell my wife that I would leave my very comfortable corporate job to go and pursue a startup with a guy I just met.
I moved from Miami to San Francisco 7 months ago, put my whole family in a Jeep to join the DeFi revolution here.